For those of you who are interested in buying Maker DAO, MKR, with a price conversion of MKR to IDR or MKR to USDT today, it's good to know in advance about the latest information or news from Maker DAO. Created in 2015, Maker DAO was initiated by Rune Christensen because he saw a number of limitations that Bitcoin has. He considered that Bitcoin has a maximum supply that is used for speculation. As a result, the price of Bitcoin becomes too volatile to be used as a medium of exchange like fiat currency. In this way, Christensen initiated a financial system that could generate stability such as a low-fluctuating stablecoin for everyday use. The Maker token was also designed by the Maker Foundation, which later became Ethereum's first decentralized finance, DeFi, with significant adoption. Maker DAO designed a stablecoin called DAI and created a system called the DAI stablecoin system. This system only uses one type of cryptocurrency as collateral. After that, the SAI token was created, which stands for Single Collateral DAI. Maker governance has proposed policies to develop and upgrade tokens to support various types of collateralized crypto assets. This initiation then gave birth to the Multiple Collateral DAI System, MCD, which is also known as the Maker Protocol. DAI differs from other stablecoins in that it is supported in the Maker Protocol. Unlike USDC and USDT, where US dollars are kept as reserves in different proportions depending on the policy of the issuer, which is difficult to verify, DAI is managed on-chain, allowing users to verify processes. MKR token holders have the right to vote and propose policy changes on the Maker DAO network and all Maker protocols. Maker DAO was created in 2015 by Rune Christensen, an entrepreneur from Zealand, Denmark. Christensen graduated from the University of Copenhagen with a degree in biochemistry. After graduating from college, he decided to study international business at the Copenhagen School of Business. Prior to establishing Maker DAO, he co-founded and managed Try China.